Good. Okay. A learner constructs a push toy using two blocks with masses 1,5 kilograms and 3 kilograms respectively. The blocks are connected by massless cord. The learner then applies the force of 25 newtons at an angle of 30 degrees to the 1,5 kg block by means of a light rigid rod, causing the toy to move across a flat, rough horizontal surface as shown in the diagram below. Now, once they say the surface is rough, meaning there is a frictional force. Okay. Nasi statement esibalulekile. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the surface and each block is, and each block shuthi i-block ne-block linale coefficient le 3 kg block no 0,15, even no 1,5 kg block uno 0,15. Ngithe mina uma bekunikeza i-coefficient of kinetic friction zimbili izinto oyicabangayo, ucabanga i-normal force, ucabanga u-FK. Kufanele kuqala uthole i-normal force ukuze uthole i-FK. Kwesinye isikhathi bangakunikeza-ke u-FK bekufune normal force, or ibe khona indlela yokuqala uthole u-FK kuyima uzothola normal force. Kuya nge-question ukuthi ikanjani. Okay. Athi-ke, calculate the magnitude of the kinetic frictional force acting on the 3 kg block. But before si-calculate, ake sidraw ama-free body diagram wama-box womabili. Sine-normal force, sino-FG, sine-tension, sine-frictional force. So, sine-normal force, sino-FG, kwi-weight, sine-tension, sine-frictional force. Lama-objects aya le kwa-right, shuthi kuya kwa-right ku-positive. Kahle kahle shuthi le force positive, le ngapha negative. Sidrawe futhi i-free body diagram yangapha kwa-1,5 kg block. So, njengoba iqhamuka nje isiyehla kanje, kusho ukuthi kahle kahle iphumela ngapha. So, iveza ngapha leya force leya. Then, bese kuba khona i-tension. Bese kuba khona i-frictional force. Bese kuba khona normal force. Normal force is always perpendicular to the surface.
Yes.
If frictional force is always parallel to the surface. Very important. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4.
FG.
Okay. Yesibukeke. We have the normal force. We have frictional force. We have the tension force. We have F applied. Khona force eshodayo la?
FG.
Yes,
FG
FG.
awukho.
Yeah, khona. Ngiyasho ukuthi khona eshodayo la. Fanele abe u-5, amamaka ayasho. FG. Amamaka sithinile. Okay, sekuphelele mase kanje. Okay, bathi-ke calculate the magnitude of the kinetic frictional force acting on the 3 kg block. Ukhumbule sinayo UK, thina into esishoda ngayo ukuze sikwazi ukucalculate i-frictional force ukuthi si-calculate i-normal force. Ngokwale free body diagram, i-force eyaphezulu iyodwa ilingana ne-force eyaphansi. ngiyayithanda leyo ndaba le ukuthi ama-force aphezulu alingana nama-forces ayaphansi. Singasho ukuthi i-normal force ilingana no-F_G ngoba kwesinye isikhathi akusilo iqiniso lokho. So
Yes.
this is mg, i-mass ngo-3 times 9,8. 3 times 9,8 give us 12,8. Iqiniso lelo ngiplazile la, 3 times 9,8. So bani? 29.
29,4
9,4 newtons.
tons.
Ngase sizothi Fk is equal to mu k
Yeah.
times the normal force, mu k 0,15 times normal force 29,4 okusinikeza
4,41
yes
newtons.
4,41 newtons. So u-Fk wangapha sesiyamazi 4,41 newtons.
Yes.
Okay, bese sibheka ngapha i-question elandelayo. Calculate the magnitude of the kinetic frictional force on 1,5 kg block. Ngapha calculate magnitude of frictional force. Okay, into engifuna ukuyigcizelela la, mhlawumbe ngisebenzise nje lokho okuncane. Nathi engifuna ukuyigcizelela. Okay, ngaso sonke isikhathi u-F applied in x direction uba parallel to the surface, nansi surface. Yena uzoba parallel to the surface. Ngidraw ngolayini ohlukile ngoba akufanele simveze kwi-free body diagram yethu. This is F applied in x direction. Bese kuthi u-F applied in y direction ngaso sonke isikhathi uba perpendicular to the surface. This is F applied in y direction ngaso sonke isikhathi. So bathini kithi? Bathi asitholeni i-frictional force ka-1,5. Mabethi asicalculate i-frictional force, izinto kufanele siyicabange, kufanele sicabange i-normal force. Mase siyicabangile i-normal force, sine-challenge manje yokuthi ama-forces a-vertical akusase u-F_G yedwa, kodwa seku-F_G no-F applied in y direction ne-normal force. Okusho ukuthi ama-forces aya phezulu, they balance ama-forces aya phansi. Ama-force aya phezulu alingana. Why they balance each other? Yingoba le object vertically ayihambi, ayiyi phezulu, ayiyi phansi. Once yangaya phezulu, yangaya phansi, yangaya move vertically, kusho ukuthi ama-forces aya phansi alingana nama-forces aya phezulu. But if move vertical but ingamove with a constant velocity, lo statement esisishilo ukuthi ama-forces aya phezulu alingana nama-forces aya phansi asilona iqiniso. Siyiqiniso kuphela if i-object ayimove kuya phezulu, ama-forces aphezulu nama-forces aphansi ayalingana. But if iyamuva but imuva nge-constant velocity, ikhathi futhi kuzoba iqiniso ukuthi ama-forces aphezulu alingana nama-forces aphansi. So kuba iqiniso nini? Mangabe i-object move at a constant velocity or ingamuvi, ama-forces aphezulu alingana nama-forces aphansi. But if imove nje accelerate, then uma ngabe sehlangene lama-force azolingana no-ma esehlangene. So okwamanje kuzoba kanje, soba no-mg. Khumbule F applied in y direction ulingana no-F applied sin of theta, normal force leyo. Sisebenza ngo-1,5 times 9,8 plus applied force was 25 sin of 30 sin of 30. Lapha khona u-30 laphaya. So 1,5 times 9,8. Usikhiphela bani?
14,7.
14,7 plus 25 sine of 30. 25 sine of 30.
12,5.
12.
12,5.
Is it? It is 5,5.
12. 12,5.
Okay. 12,5. Add the 2. Normal force ilinye over
27,2 newtons.
27,2
2
newtons.
newtons.
Okay. Sesinayo i-normal force ka-1,5 kg. Bona bafuna i-frictional force. So Fk is equal to mu k times the normal force. Mu k was 0,1. Sengizosele kokusithayo. 1,05 times 27,2. Okusikhiphela bani-ke?
4,08 newtons.
4,08 newtons. That is Fk. Mhlambe
Yes.
singayibhala la ukuthi 4,08 newtons. Okay. Fk wangapha sinaye nowangapha sinaye.
Yes.
Okulandelayo bathi asicalculate i-tension. So okuzosisiza nakho-ke. Noma befuna i-tension nje, kufanele sicalculate wonke ama-forces a-horizontal to the surface noma parallel to the surface. Ukhumbule F applied in x direction now parallel to the surface, fanele simthole. And F applied in x direction ulingana no F applied cos of theta. F applied to 25 cos of 30 kuzolingana noba ngahlale khona lo 25 cos of 30
21,6506.
6506 newtons. Okay, we are covered now. Ake senze ngalo 3 kg block sithi F net is equal to MA. Sisithi siyakwa-right, ama-force ayakwa-right a-positive. Sizoba no-tension minus F is equal to MA. Sisubstitute tension asiyazi sifuna yona. U-F simtholile u-4,41. I-mass yangapha u-3. I-acceleration asiyazi u-A. So ngapha sino-equation number 1. Size ngapha F net is equal to MA. So if force parallel to the surface ngapha F applied in x direction, subtract force yakwa left to F, subtract tension force is equal to MA. Then we can substitute. F applied in x direction simtholile, sithole to 21,65 minus frictional
0.
force simtholile of 4,08 minus tension force is equal to, we are dealing with 1,5. 1,5 kg block times acceleration. So 21,65 minus 4,08.
17,57.
17,57 minus T. This is equal to 1,5A. This is equation number 2. Now, singawa-add lama equation u-2. Start leya soyi-add la. So bano 17,57 minus T is equal to 1,5a. Uma uyiqaphela le ndaba, loya u-negative, loya u-positive, mase ba-add-a bazokhanselana. Sizosala no-17,57 minus 4,41 is equal to 3a plus 1,5a. Bazosinikeza u-4,5a. Ngapha
13,16.
yeah,
13,16.
13,16 divided by 4,5 on both sides. I-acceleration yethu izosinika ba
2,92
2,92
meters
meters
per
per second.
square. Meters per square.
Siyacela ningakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe.